Manufacturing of tea. Stage 1. Collection of leaves from the villages. Cutting and cleaning of leaves. Stage 2. Putting leaves into bags.
Fight the fear when I feel like dying. I'm trying to fly high.
Stage 3. Cutting of leaves into small pieces and drying.
The product of a system where you're lucky just to make $1. That ain't gonna stop me cause my grind's contagious. I'll do what it takes to turn passion to paychecks. And if I go down, I'ma do it on my terms. And every single problem brings a lesson that I learned. The darkest nights, when things seem so broken, it's hard to shine, but I still try. I'll be the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down sometimes.
Stage 4.
That's just life.
Oxidation and fermentation.
Heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight. That's right. Baby, I was born to fight.
Stage 5. Heating process. Waste of leaves.
I was born to fight. It's hard to be yourself down a lonely road. I try to find my way but don't know where to go. It's hard to see your friends.
Final
tell them
tea.
adios. When you know them all for like forever, now you're just a ghost. Ain't no way to sugarcoat it, shit, I feel alone. Been single for a decade, doing me is getting old. I don't pick up on the phone rings, too busy recording. Industry ignores me, but I keep on going. Cause I know you got my back, I got you too. No matter what the situation.
Again, cleaning and different sizing of tea.
Not a quitter, they can say that I'm a sinner cause they love to hate the winner, but I'm never gonna give them the last one left when the lights go out. I'm down to one last breath, but I can't stop now. We all fall down so
Packing of tea into bags and ready to dispatch in the market.
so cross my heart and hope to die. Baby, I was born to fight.
Here is the final tea and ready to drink. Thank you for watching.